Hello everyone. So today we have decided to start our journey for Vypin. So last time, if you had seen the vlog, we could not fly our drone in Vypin, but today we decided to take a chance again because the weather is a bit better compared to last time and it's not that bit windy. So we have again taken the chance and we are planning to fly our drone today. So here you can see the Hotel Grand Hyatt Kochi Bolgati, and it is located in this Bolgati island and owned by the Lulu Group, and the location is very beautiful. As you could see, it is mostly surrounded by backwaters. So we are about to reach Vypin. Actually the distance from our place to Vypin is approximately 35 kilometers, but from Ernakulam it's only 5 kilometers, and this island was basically formed in the year 1341 after a very heavy flood. And it is also said that it is one of the most densely populated island in the world. So this is the Vypin lighthouse, also known as Cochin lighthouse, and this is the tallest lighthouse in Kerala, and this locality is actually called Puthuvai. Normally people are allowed to visit this lighthouse, but due to COVID the entry has been restricted now. So finally we have reached Valappu beach, where we plan to take few drone shots, and I am spellbound by the scenic beauty of this particular area. Like the combination of sandy beach, marshy land and the greenery takes your breath away.
It's taking everything not to turn around, throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time, lost in my head. I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it.
So I don't know if the camera can capture or express the beauty of the place, and standing here in this hot, humid sun in this beach and looking at the other side where it is filled with water and greenery, it feels so good to the eyes. I don't know like if it can be expressed here in the video.
One at a time, promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.
অনেক আছে এখন।
breeze or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know.